Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for webinars. Stop wasting time on back and forth scheduling emails. Microsoft Outlook and Office 365 lack the robust scheduling features you need to seamlessly book meetings. Appointlet makes it simple to book stress-free office hours. Schedule online classes, webinars, and workshops. Create group events so multiple people can book the same slot. Send automated confirmations and reminders at custom intervals. Automatically send video conferencing links to your audience. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation, sign-up takes less than 2 minutes, and you won't need a credit card. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.